I finished my first paranormal case here in Baguio City, especially on the reportedly haunted structures according to those people I interviewed in the past. My first paranormal case was the Diplomat Hotel located at the Dominican Hill, Baguio City. That was already 5 years ago. I still remember my experiences during my initial investigation on that place. It's really amazing to hear some sounds, some mysterious sounds that I caught on my sound recorder from an unknown source during my electronic voice phenomena capturing time. I focused on capturing sounds rather than images or videos on that place because mysterious sounds are easily caught and it is the common thing to occur on that place. It's almost 100% for me to fail to capture ghosts on pictures. Same on the video capturing, and I don't know why. That's why I use a sound recorder, just a sound recorder, and it doesn't fail me. It's really accurate, that's why I got so many mysterious sound recordings on that place. So now my second part of my paranormal case will be the University of Baguio, located at the General Luna, Baguio City. What motivates me on making an initial investigation on that university is that first, I always heard about the unusual experiences of several students on. According to these several students, such places where unusual phenomena occur in the university are the Commerce Building, the AU Gym, the Engineering Building, the AMS Building, and the F. Many believe that those paranormal phenomena rarely occurring in the university are caused by the 7.7 magnitude 1990 killer earthquake during July 16, 1990 at exactly 4:20